Before we get started, subscribe to my channel. I haven't been keeping up with the news here lately, but I was watching Candace Owens, and she inputted about Andrew Tate. You know, he was released from prison, him and his brother, about 2.5 weeks ago. But I would like to read some of the comments and see what you guys think about this and about Andrew Tate. Let's go for it.
I don't care whether you like Andrew Tate or whether you believe in his ideas or whether you think he's a misogynist. I don't care if he actually is a misogynist. You don't lock someone up for no reason. And when I say for no reason, I mean that the Romanian government did not, the entire time that he was in prison, which is since last year, they held him in a small cell. He had access to nothing, and they did not bring any charges against him. They essentially arrested him so that they could investigate him. How could you consider yourself a conservative and support that madness? Well, he and his brother have been released from prison, and here is what he said on his way out. Take a listen.
I just want to say that the judges today made the right decision. I respect what they've done for me, and they will be vindicated in their decision because I'm an innocent man and I can't wait to prove it.
Hello, Andrew.
Freedom at last. Mashallah, brother, mashallah, mashallah. It's a little bit emotional. I've been in one room since last year, so it's a little bit emotional. I want to give respect, firstly, to the judges who heard us today, because they were very attentive and they listened to us and they let us free, so I have to give absolute respect to them. I truly believe that justice will be served in the end. There is 0% chance of me being found guilty of something I have not done. I maintain my absolute innocence, and I think most people understand this, and I look forward to being home.
He also followed that up with this tweet. He wrote, "Since last year, I've been in 24-hour lockdown, no yard time, pacing a 3-meter cell with 0 electronics or outside contact. Absolute clarity of mind, real thoughts, real plans. Vivid pain. 1 hour home and I can't stand my phone. Some habits die hard. We must defeat Shaitan," which is, I assume, Islamic for Satan. I just, again, cannot comprehend how any person does not see how evil what happened to him was. To be clear, he spent 3 months in a 3-meter cell with access to nobody but his own thoughts. Would you survive that? Could you imagine if that happened to you and no formal charges were brought against you, and then the outside world and all of their freedom was saying that you deserved it somehow because they don't like your rhetoric, they don't like that you smoke cigars, and that you're disrespectful toward women who, by the way, many oftentimes are disrespecting themselves before you can even get a chance to disrespect them. Could you imagine this? I'm just completely baffled by the conservative response to this. What happened here is horrific. I commend him on his strength. I don't know that I could do that in isolation for 90 days. I don't know that I could do it. And every time I see evil, I'm going to speak up against it. I don't care how that makes other people feel based on his language and what he says about people. It doesn't matter to me. I am hoping to have the opportunity to interview him. And I am also hopeful that it was perhaps this exposure, people talking about this evil, that made it so that they could not once again extend his detention. By the way, they're calling it a detention. We didn't arrest him. We just detained him for 90 days, and we took all of his personal property, which they did. They took his cars. Just detaining all of these things for what reason? What's behind this? This doesn't really make sense. This is obviously a flawed system of government, a repeatedly flawed system of government that we are seeing all across the world right now, especially in the Western Hemisphere.
I would like to read some of the comments and see what you guys think. What you think about this Andrew Tate? Also, Trump getting arrested. This stuff is crazy. I haven't been keeping up with too much of the news, but I'm pretty sure you guys will fill me in. All right, again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.